This house was built in 1873. I'm in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and this place is just incredible. You are going to see some woodwork on this home, and you see the eaves up there. And here it looks like there was a front entrance with a porch. And then up here, look at the woodwork. It's just crazy. We'll come back out here. Just absolutely a gorgeous home. Somebody had a lot of money when they built this in the late 1800s. It's apparently a farmer and his brother, and they own some type of a grain mill down the road. And his brother apparently had a house right next door. And between the two of them, we get by this tree, they made a ton of money. Look at that house. That is just gorgeous. You'll see when I get alongside, there's a porch. Now you look at the tree next to it here. That tree is probably was here when they built this thing. Woodwork on those windows. take this in. I think that is cast iron. Gorgeous windows, bay window. And then over here, pocket doors, heavy pocket doors. They're filled with plaster, so they don't slide right now, but I think they would still work if they weren't filled with plaster. I'm not sure what this is. Here's the lathe. Look at how thick that 2x4 is. And then next to it, that's 2x8. And then the woodwork of the door. And then a whole different area here. This room. I can't get too deep in here. Oh, forgot the ceiling. Look at that.
Ew, yeah. You used to do that. Ew.
Let's go upstairs. And you'll see a circular staircase. Even the lathe here, they made circular and then plastered over. Up above that, you can see the wallpaper. And along here, look at that. Intricate woodwork. Front entrance to the house. And again, if you look at the ceiling, and look up here, doorbell. Look at that intricate doorknob. Here we go upstairs. Curved. Now this area is finished. Oh, shut up. And here we go. And look at this huge closet from back in those days. And we'll call them in at the top. This, by the way, is an attic. You can see it's open to the outside. There's a cupola. We'll go up. There's a window at the front of the house. You can see, look at the stairs just covered in straw and hay. Just nasty. But, history. I don't think I want to stand on this. Somebody has started to rebuild it. I'll show you the floor. And the work that needs to be done. Because if you look here, this needs to be taken out. And there needs to be a couple 2x4s or 2x6s as a beam going across here. Because that holds all of this. And that needs to be done all the way around, which means this upper half really needs to be lifted in order to have that happen. So anyway, that is that. Okay, we're going back downstairs again. I just want to make sure you realize that this staircase used to be wide open. It wasn't boxed in like it is. So you could stand at this railing and watch people come in and out of the house. Kind of sad. But they'll tear that box off and open it again someday. And then they'll be able to see who's at the door.